What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Volks TV. We are camping this weekend. We're at Muleshoe Bend in Austin. Well, actually in Spicewood. It is NVMBRFST. You can see we got everybody hanging out back there. We got Garrett and his van again over there with the family. Beautiful. It's a little bit chilly. It's crisp. But it's nice. It was really, really cold this morning driving out here. But we got nothing but sunshine and blue skies, and it's going to be a really nice night tonight. So, NVMBRFST, camping, can't beat it. Yeah, look at this guy, little Dahlia. She's a camping dog now. She's running around like a maniac. Hey. Hey. Anywho, camping. Let's go. Oh, it is too cold to do anything. So we are cooking chicken and dumplings, and Dahlia had her dog food and she's guarding the bus now. And hey, you get back in there. Get in there. Get in there. Somebody just pulled up in a random van again over here. We don't even know who that is. They just kind of came. They're not even here for NVMBRFST, but now they're part of it. Now they're stuck. So we got our delicious pot of soup. This is gonna go pretty far in warming me up. It is getting pretty cold out here. I think it's gonna be a rough night. We're gonna burn a lot of firewood. But you know, that's bus camping. I think Tamara's over there making pizzas. We might go over there and check that out and see that too. But otherwise, it's getting dark, campfire time. We're gonna start telling some stories. It's gonna be great. See you in the morning. Oh my god, it's so cold, you guys. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. It's like 34 degrees outside. It's freezing. Everything's frozen. Everything's like icy. We slept pretty good though. The bus actually sleeps pretty good in the cold, especially when I got my little heater. I mean, my little buddy heater. Charlie couldn't take it anymore. He had to turn on the van again to get some heat. Axel is crazy, man, to be young again. This kid sleeping in that little tent that's covered in ice. I think he's trying to get out. Crazy. But we had fun. We had a good night. Nice little campfire. Made some pizzas. Made a cherry pizza thing. Dessert that was pretty good. So we're gonna try and get this fire going this morning and try to get warmed up a little bit and maybe get some coffee in us. So let's go. Well, how was it sleeping in your frozen cocoon?
Good, 'cause I tried to get up and piss in the middle of the night and I couldn't.
You were cold, huh?
Yeah, my shoes were frozen and I couldn't find them.
Oh my god.
So
yeah,
sucked.
It was pretty cold. Look, everything's covered in ice. You can find Soylent Green in your freezer aisle. Frosty.
I'm gonna test my battery's cold cranking amps.
Right now?
No.
It's like 7 a.m.
My neighbors are used to it.
You're not at your house. I got a fire going. Come over and get warm by the fire. Oh boy. After last weekend at Coda, I forgot I made so many coffees that I ran out of coffee. But luckily, our pal Matt Jackson comes prepared and he brought plenty of coffee for us. So we're about to make a second cup on the old trusty Coleman action. It's warming up a little bit. It's not so freezing cold anymore. Built a nice big fire and nobody's even sitting over there. But that's all right. We're gonna have some coffee. Maybe we're gonna warm up some breakfast or something and make some adjustments to the carbs. I think our bus is running a little goofy. Then we're gonna head home. A nice little drive. Then we'll find something to work on. Well, there you go. NVMBRFST. Woo! Okay, settle down. It's cold, and since it was a pretty light turnout this year, we're all just gonna bail out. I mean, it's like 10 o'clock. So, there it is. The gang of NVMBRFST. You can see Garrett, he's back there. R.I.P. Charlie. He didn't make it. He left early this morning. And Tamra, still cleaning up her mess from last night. But we got it. We survived. We made it. So there it was. Hit that subscribe button. Check out all the links. Visit all the friends. Buy a t-shirt. And thanks for watching.